Dear student, now we are going to study problem set 2.1, question number second. In figure, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. NQ perpendicular to segment MP. NQ perpendicular to segment MP. MQ is equal to 9. MQ is equal to 9. QP is equal to 4. Then find NQ. NQ find करना है. NQ is the geometric mean of segment MQ and QP. We know. Therefore, NQ is equal to root MQ into QP according to geometric mean, theorem of geometric mean. By the theorem of geometric mean. NQ is equal to root MQ into QP by the theorem of geometric mean. Now we put the value of MQ. MQ की वैल्यू कितनी दिया है 9. QP की वैल्यू दिया है 4. Therefore 9 for the 36. 9 for the 36. Root of 36 we know 6. So NQ is equal to 6. This is the answer. Now second question is, in figure QPR is equal to 90. QPR is equal to 90 and PM is perpendicular to QR. PM is equal to 10. PM is equal to 10 and QM is equal to 8. Find QR. So now solve it. PM square is equal to QM into MR by the theorem of geometric mean. PM square is equal to QM into MR. We put the value of PM. PM की वैल्यू दिया आपने वो क्वेश्चन में 10. तो 10 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 8 इंटू MR क्योंकि QM की वैल्यू 8 की है. 10 का स्क्वायर हुआ 100. 100 is equal to 8 into MR. 100 upon 8 is equal to MR. Therefore जब 100 को 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 12.5 MR. But now we are find MR. MR is equal to 12.5. Therefore QR is equal to QM plus MR. QM plus MR. QM कितना है? QM की वैल्यू है 8. 8 plus 12.5. दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे. 8 plus 12.5 को ऐड करेंगे तो इसकी फाइनल वैल्यू हो जाएंगी 20.5. तो QR की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी 20.5.